sitting down in my chair. Hello, I'm Shawn, here to give you a lowdown on this new wonderful little product from Saramonic, the Blink 500. For this video, for test purposes, I am solely using the Saramonic sound system. I actually have it strapped to my side just here. As you can see, it's very easy to slip on. It's got a like a clip, which also doubles as a cold shoe mount if you want to attach it straight onto your camera, clip it to your bag, clip it to your belt, clip it to your finger, like one of those heart monitor things. With so many transmitter, receiver, wireless microphone models out there, why would you go for Saramonic, say, over Rode or Sennheiser or Sony? Well, I wouldn't say that these are specifically marketed at professional sound recordists who work in film or TV. We did take these out for a test spin the other day. Me and George went to St. James's Park and caught some lovely sunshine, lovely dogs.
Oh no.
It's lovely squirrels.
Hello.
Yeah, the animals love us.
Oh no. This was set to manual focus. I don't think I did the test properly.
Yeah, we did do that again. But I thought from that shoot, the sound came back pretty crisp. The receiver part of this microphone set is a 3.5mm jack, so it just auxes in from the microphone straight into your camera, which makes it an amazing choice for somebody who doesn't want to put the expense out for one of those XLR adapters if they're using a mirrorless or DSLR videography system. What is also quite versatile about these is that they work with or without the lapel mics. You hear that? That's this mic here, which is wired onto my pocket side just there. And then on here, yeah, you hear that? Like, there's a microphone right on the top of these. So if you didn't want to go through the bother of going under someone's jumper and miking them up, you can simply just clip this straight on here, like that. And then you could probably hear me if I get really close to it. And then it's like ASMR. Maybe I'm just blowing down the microphone. Probably doesn't sound very good. Or maybe it does. I don't know. I haven't got headphones on. But I suppose, like, if it's too quiet, you could just up the volume, and then all of a sudden you've got way better reception. Saramonic say that the maximum battery life on one of these is about 5 hours, which is one of the reasons why it's probably not suited for professionals who are filming long days. Not to say that they're not professional, it's just more like if you've got a work day and you're recording sound for longer than 5 hours, say it's like a film shoot, or it's just a really long corporate event that you'll be working at, these probably aren't the best fit for you. What I'd recommend you definitely go with another model that has interchangeable batteries. Maybe that's something that Saramonic can work on in the future, is to have like a battery pack that you can take out and put another one in. Obviously, good old AA batteries have been a friend of ours for years when it comes to radio mic sets. The charging port on the side is USB-C. The USB-C cables do come in the box. They work on a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, so you don't have to deal with like radio frequencies to get a connection. You're very unlikely to get any interference. For pairing the transmitters to the receivers, there's a little pinhole on the side of the receiver. What comes in the kit bag is this little pin here, specifically designed. You know, it's like for when you get a new iPhone, you gotta like get that, you know, get your SIM card in there. It's basically one of those. You just press it into the side, and then the little LED on top will start blinking. You then get 10 seconds to basically you hold down both the plus and the minus buttons on the side at the same time, and then it should sync up. But say you lose this pin, just a little top tip for you out there. Paper clips are a thing. There are 6 different packages, by the way. There's a pack where you get 1 receiver and 1 transmitter. There's obviously the pack that I'm using now, which is 1 receiver and 2 transmitters. And then you also get the packs whereby you get a different type of receiver, which is built for smartphones. And you can get these in either USB-C or Lightning connection. These smartphone receivers can also take 2 transmitters. which is amazing. Because say you don't have a camera, but you need a good microphone set, you're doing a bit of journalism and you need to get good audio with your clients, or you're doing some of your internal staff videos. It's very handy to have something like this where you literally just need to buy the microphone. Cameras on phones these days are pretty outstanding and coming a long way, and it's really nice to see Saramonic taking advantage of that market by developing something that you can literally just plug in straight out of the box and work with. It's very low cost, perfect for anybody who can't fork out the often £500 for a single set of transmitter and receiver. They're a nice solution for somebody who's on a low budget. So if you would like to know any more about the Blink 500 Saramonic sound system, there's a link in our description to the store page that has all the specifications that you could need. You can also leave a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thank you for watching. Goodbye.